Hello everyone. Today let's see multiple correlation and multiple regression. Yes. So what is multiple correlation and what is multiple regression? Yes. So before this we have seen methods used. Yes. We have seen methods used, that is Pearson correlation coefficient, Spearman's rank correlation. Yesterday we have seen what is scatter plots. Yes, today we will see multiple correlation and regression. Okay, so let's see. Multiple correlation definition is, we can say that multiple correlation measures the strength of the relationship between one dependent variable y and two or more independent variable. Suppose independent variables are x1 x2 up to xn. Yes, so coefficient of multiple correlation is r is equal to square root of r square. We can write r is equal to square root of r square, means square root and square will get cancelled, you will get again original r. But range of r is, coefficient of multiple correlation range is 0 to 1, means r is equal to 0 or r is equal to 1, and r value of r is in between 0 and 1. Okay, if r is equal to 0, then no linear relationship. If r is equal to 1, then perfect linear relationship. Okay, now let's see multiple regression. Yes, so what is multiple regression? So definition is a statistical technique used to predict the value of dependent variable y based on two or more independent variables. Here is the general form: y is equal to a plus b1 x1 plus b2 x2 up to b plus bn xn plus epsilon, where y is dependent variable, x1 x2 xn up to xn are independent variables, a is intercept, b1 b2 bn are regression coefficient, and epsilon is equal to error term. Yes, so interpretation is, each coefficient bi shows how much y changes when xi increases by 1 unit, keeping other variable constant. Okay, here is example. See the example: students exam score. See, students exam score, we can say that score is y. Okay, x1 is hours studied, x2 is attendance. So regression equation might be 25 plus 3x1 plus 2x2. If attendance increases by 1 unit, then score increases by 2 unit. Yes, so we can say that. See, aspects. What is difference between multiple correlation and multiple regression? Let's see. Here, purpose, output and values. Aspects are purpose, output and values. In multiple correlation, purpose is measure strength of relationship. Yes, in multiple regression, predicts value of y. Okay, here in aspect is output. So multiple correlation says correlation coefficient is r. Here regression coefficient is regression equation. Okay, and aspects are values. The value of multiple correlation is between 0 to 1. Yes, and multiple regression at any real numbers, means value of multiple regression is lies between minus infinity to plus infinity. Here is the difference between multiple correlation and multiple regression. This is the method to find such correlation used in correlational research. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you.